Alright, Lego Fanatics, we're back. Now I've got my microphone in, I can finish this video. I wanted to show you this. So I had these, remember these that I put together? And I forgot a step, which that's okay. So this actually is going to go, as you can see, right on here, just like that, and fit together. So you just kind of have to apply a little bit of pressure. This is the only part that really hurts my hand because these little edges are pretty sharp and they stick out. So there you go. Now I've got a full one. So this is going to be the motor for the hyperspace. And then what I did was I finished, like I promised, this part. So putting those little things together, and then I try to make this look kind of even all the way around. And then, because I built it, put it on there, put this on top of that. Then there's a little small piece that fits in here, and then this just goes right on top of that, and use it to pop it in here. And this is going to slide right in here like that. And I have two of these. So, you know, it's pretty cool. Make sure this is all secure, you know. Nice little detail rounding out just like the other one that I had on the other ring. And what we're going to do is we're going to build the other part. There's another part of the engine on this end, and then this is going to go on top of the ring connected to the wings that I built the other day. All right, so you know, as a matter of fact, I'll show you those right now. So remember when I built this, well, that is going to support these two by having these. This is going to connect to this, and then this whole piece together, these two will connect to the wing that I had. So that's how that's going to work, but there's some more detail I got to put into it, and I'm done for the rest of the evening. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh, and I did want to show you the train track layout, so I will do that in a minute. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.